Service in northern Indiana has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Grant County in central Indiana until 5:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:55 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Jonesboro, or near Gas City, moving northeast at 65 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Marion, Gas City, Upland, Fairmount, Jonesboro, Sweetser, Swayze, Van Buren, Sims, Fowlerton, Home Corner, Landis, Michaelsville, Normal, Meyer, Jalapa, Herbst, Enfield, Hackelman, and Point Isabel. This includes Interstate 69 in Indiana between mile markers 256 and 271. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for central Indiana. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties: